Good evening, dear children. Today we are going to do the chapter contractions. And what does the word contraction mean? Contraction means to shorten something, to reduce something. Here when we are talking about the chapter contractions, here we are going to contract the B words. And we have talked about B words. What are the B words we have learned? Is, am, are, was, were, then will, shall. Is, am, are in the present tense, was, were in the past tense, and will, shall for all the actions that we intend to do in the future. We will learn the contractions of these B words. Whenever we are going to write the contractions, remember we are going to use a very special punctuation mark which is also called as apostrophe. This apostrophe we had learned in possessive also, when we are talking about possessive possession. That time, Ram's bag. Right? Ram's bag. Whose bag? Ram's bag. That time we had learned. See children, this apostrophe is little different from the comma. Why? Whenever we are writing our work in a two-line copy, that time remember the comma is always written down and the apostrophe is placed up. Right? This is we are going to combine these B words with a pronoun. You know, just before the B word, when we are writing a pronoun, that time we are going to use the contractions or the shortened form. Look at the example here. She is. We all know she is a pronoun. So here, just after the pronoun, is there. And how to write the contraction of she is? Here we will do away with the letter I and make it she apostrophe s, she is. When we will expand it, whenever we are going to write it, we can write it both the ways. But when we speak it, we say it she is. You are. So when we are speaking, we are speaking you are, and writing we can use the shortened form you, followed here we do away with the letter A and apostrophe followed by RE. So you are. Then they will. They will. For will, we will do away with the two letters W and I. So they apostrophe double L, they will. Right? Then we have I shall. Remember children, with I and we always use shall. Again, the contraction of shall is exactly same as that of will. It will be apostrophe double L. So I shall. So you have to keep it in your mind, then wherever we are writing I apostrophe double L, then it is I shall and not I will. Because we always use I shall, we shall. Then I am. So in I am, we will do away with the letter A and write I apostrophe am, I am. Right? Then it is. It is. It you all remember, we are using it always with for things and animal and birds. So it is. So it followed by apostrophe s, it is. These are the contractions of the B words. Then children, we can write even negative contractions. What are negative? Negative means something we are doing with a no or a not. Whenever we are talking about something negative, it is no or a not. So coming to negative contractions, we are going to always use not after the B word. We are going to use not after the B word. So how I have written is not, are not, was not, will not, did not, shall not. So these are the expanded form and we can write their contracted form also. Here what we are going to do, here we are not going to contract the B word. In negative contractions, we are going to contract the word not. We are going to make a change in the word not. What we will do, we will write the B word, that is followed by N. N of the word not, and do away with O. And when wherever we are removing the alphabet, there we are putting the apostrophe. Notice up here in this also, what did we do? Wherever we did away with the letters, there we replaced it with an apostrophe. This you have to keep it in mind. Wherever we are skipping the letter, we will bring the pronoun and the B word together, and wherever we will do away with the letter, there the apostrophe will come. And in negative contraction, wherever we are doing away with the O of the not, there the apostrophe symbol has to be put. This you have to keep it in your mind. Then was not. So was, and we will join the word not with it, but we will do away with the letter O and put an apostrophe. So was not. We can also read it wasn't. Are not, aren't. Is not, isn't. So we are going to read it together. So is not is isn't, are not is aren't, was not is wasn't, will not will become won't. There is a change here in this, where will not, when we will contract, it will become won't. It will become won't. This you have to keep it in your mind. And then did not. Did is also one B word. So did not becomes didn't. We will read it didn't. What would we read it? Didn't. Then we have shall not. Just like will not, shall not also will change and it will become shan't. It will become shan't. So keeping this in mind, you will learn your contractions. You have to keep it in mind where to use the apostrophe. Do not use a comma in place of the apostrophe. They are very similar. They look similar. But where we use them, where do we place it in the copy or near the alphabets, that you have to remember. And whenever we are contracting a B word, then we will join the B word with the pronoun. We will bring both the words together and then we will put the apostrophe wherever we will eat away or do away with letters. And rest of the discussion we will have it in the Google Meet.